Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 11 for Standard 12, Part 2, Chapter number 1, Differentiation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 1.1, question number 5. Assume that f dash 3 is equal to minus 1, g dash 2 is equal to 5, g2 is equal to 3 and y is equal to f gx, then dy dx and x is equal to 2. Find what dy dx at x is equal to 2. Okay. Solution. Y is equal to f gx. It is given. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to f dash gx and derivative of gx is equal to g dash x. And therefore dy dx at x is equal to 2 is equal to f dash g2 g dash 2 is equal to f dash 3 into 5 is equal to minus 1 into 5 and is equal to minus 5. Okay. Question number 6. If hx is equal to under root 4 fx plus 3 gx, f1 is equal to 4, g1 is equal to 3, f dash 1 is equal to 3, g dash 1 is equal to 4, find h dash 1. Okay. Solution. hx is equal to root 4 fx plus 3 gx given, and therefore h dash x is equal to derivative of this is equal to 1 upon 2 root 4 fx plus 3 gx and derivative of this is equal to 4 f dash x plus 3 g dash x. Now therefore h dash 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 into root 4 f1 plus 3 g1 into 4 f dash 1 plus 3 g dash 1. Substitute values. So is equal to 1 upon 2 under root 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3 into bracket 4 into 3 plus 3 into 4. If you simplify this, you will get 1 upon 2 root 16 plus 9 into 24 and is equal to 24 upon 2 under root 25 and is equal to 24 upon 2 into 5 is equal to 12 upon 5. Okay. Question number 7. Find x coordinates of all the points on the curve y is equal to sine 2x minus 2 sine x, where x is less than or equal to 2 by 2 pi or is equal to greater than or equal to 0. Okay, where dy dx is equal to 0 given. Now then, solution. Try to understand this solution. Y is equal to sine 2x minus 2 sine x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to 2 cos 2x minus 2 cos x is equal to 0. So here you take 2 common, 2 into bracket cos 2x minus cos x is equal to 0, and therefore cos 2x minus cos x is equal to 0. Now 2 cos square x minus 1 minus cos x. For cos 2x I substitute this value. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x of minus 1. So 2 cos square x minus 1 minus cos x is equal to 0. And now this is a quadratic equation. 2 cos square x minus cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. This you factorize. So this is equal to 2 cos square x minus 2 cos x plus cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. So make group. So here you take 2 cos x common. 2 cos x into bracket cos x minus 1 plus 1 into bracket cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. And therefore cos x minus 1 and into 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. And therefore cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. And 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. And therefore cos x is equal to 1. And cos x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. And hence x is equal to 0 or 2 pi. And cos x is equal to so x is equal to 2 pi by 3 or pi by 4 pi by 3. Okay. Question number 8. Select the appropriate hints basket and fill up the blank space in the following. Okay. So let fx is equal to x square plus 5 and gx is equal to e raised to x plus 3. Then f gx is equal to f e raised to x plus 3 is equal to e x plus 3 square plus 5. So therefore e raised to 2x, this you open this bracket, make square, e raised to 2x plus 6 e raised to x plus 9 plus 5 and is equal to e raised to 2x plus 6 e raised to x plus 14. And g fx is equal to g x square plus 5. So is equal to e raised to x square plus 5 plus 3. Okay, now these are what fill-ups. Now f dash x is equal to 2x and g dash x is equal to e raised to x. The derivative of f gx with respect to x in term of f and g is f dash g dash x into g dash x. Okay, and therefore d dx is equal to f gx is equal to e raised to 2x into 2 plus 6 e raised to x, and this is equal to 2 e raised to 2x plus 6 e raised to x. And d dx f gx at x is equal to 0 is equal to 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. The derivative of g fx is with respect to x in term of f and g is g dash fx, and derivative of fx, that is f dash x. So this is what fill up. Therefore d dx is equal to g fx. D dx of what g fx is equal to e raised to x square plus 5 into 2x, and that is equal to 2x into e raised to x square plus 5. And finally d dx g fx at x is equal to minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 e raised to minus 1 square plus 5 is equal to minus 2 e raised to 1 minus 1 square, that is 1 plus 5, and is equal to minus 2 e raised to 6. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.